What are you doing? You have olives on your fingers. Let me see. I want to see. Olive juice. Oh, that's a lot of olives, Hunter. What we doing? Eat your olive now. You're stealing.
No.
Hey, don't. Now you're playing. Eat your olive. Mm-hmm. See, that's the one that you spit out, Hunter. No, you should put it. Recycled. Okay, that's enough. Hey, that's enough.